here's a quick video about why this is not working. So every time, the buttons are okay though, but when you go here, you start clicking, it's not clicking with me. Here, it's not clicking, you see? It's not clicking. I have to try to touch it 500 times, and then I have to do this really hard and swipe it. So when you go here, you want to go, you swipe the thing, it's not working, see? It's not even doing it right here. I'm touching all over the key, the tab. There you go. Not even doing it. You have to do that here. Still not doing it. Still not doing it. I have to click it really bad hard. And there you go. I have to click it really bad. You see, this is not even. I have to really basically do this. And, oh my gosh, I took it out. There you go. And that's it. That's all.